What's up, team? This is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So today we're here to make another juice. I'll show you guys my pineapple juice that I made. If you guys have not seen that video, I'll put it right on top of here. I'll put it in the comment box for you guys. You guys can go check it out. So today I'm here to make some celery juice, and this red juice I really do not know the name in English. But if you guys who are into juice definitely may know this. It's in the celery family, I think. I picked this up from the market. I went to the markets, and we have in Holland here, we have Saturday we have big markets, so I went there and picked it up. I didn't get this in the store. I just saw it in the market and I just really love it, and I thought, you know what, let me just mix it with the celery and see how it tastes. So I'm going to use my Omega juice. I love this juicer. It's very nice. It's so good. Because of me having this right now has been really motivating me to do a lot of juicing in the morning or in the afternoon. And I have few of these containers that I picked up at a shop called name Zeeman if you live in the Netherlands, and I really like it. One thing I love about this Omega juicer, when you make your juice in here, you can actually leave your juice to stand for 72 hours, which of course that is pretty good. So I don't make like a lot of juice. I make maybe like 2 juice or 3 juice if I can, two or three, or sometimes even 1, and I try to drink that on time, and I always do because it tastes so delicious, it tastes so fresh, and it's so easy to drink. So today we're here to make some celery. Before we jump into this video, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Let's jump into this tutorial. So beauties, this is the finished result. So I've washed all the juicer, I've washed everything. I like to wash it immediately that I'm done with juicing because it's easy to wash when you're done immediately. So yeah, this is the juice. As you guys can see, it has separated a little. You guys can see the celery, a little bit of the celery on top, and the celery and the red juice kind of mix. So this one's a little bit light pink. That's what it looks like. And also you have the celery settling underneath down. So what you have to do is whenever it's time for me to drink this, I'll just shake it up and drink it like this. But yeah, this is what it is. I'm super excited. Next recipe, I'll be back to show you guys how to make some other. I've bought a lot of vegetables and fruit so I can't wait to be juicing. It's more easier, it's very healthy. The kids are also loving it, and I'm super excited. Hope you all like this video. If you guys do, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram, my Facebook like page. All the links will be down in the description box. Tell me what you guys think, or do you guys have any other recipe that you guys want me to try? Let me know in the comment box. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Peace out. Bye. Doeg.